We're here at the cabin for Thanksgiving. It's cold and raining, and we have a tarp over us. You can see it, there you go. So we can still enjoy the outside. Gonna marinate it some meat, and we're gonna put it on some sticks over the fire when the fire settles. Should be good. Beef, marinate it and put over a wood fire. Yum yum.
I said that's all.
That's our meat with homemade rhubarb barbecue sauce. The rhubarb from our garden, and just beef cut up and right over an open fire.